Hi, in front of me I have Garmin Fenix 7X, and I'm gonna show you how to enter the service menu on this device. First, we need to turn off our watch. You can do it by pressing and holding the light button. When the menu appears on the screen, scroll through it, find the option, or rather select the option called Power Off, and then confirm by pressing Start/Stop button or tapping on this icon. Then select Yes, confirm, and wait until the watch turns off. After the watch turns off, we need to press and hold the down button, then press and hold the light button to turn on the watch. So press and hold down, keep holding down. While holding down button, press and hold the light button to turn on the watch. After the watch turns on, release the light button but keep holding the down button. And keep holding the down button until the service menu appears on the screen. And here we have it. This is the service menu. Here we can turn on and off some of the options like OHR mode. We can, I believe, we can change the RAM test, as you can see, with this, or rather test the RAM and ROM by pressing the up/menu button. We can light up the screen by pressing light button. We can press the Start/Stop button to test the vibration. And by pressing the back/lab button, we can go through different tests. We have this test. I believe it's a screen test, as you can see. You can test the touch screen. Next we have backlight test. We can test backlight. Then we can test the GPS. Next test is the screen test, I believe, colors. Here we have touch zones. And next we have SNS data, OHR test, NFC test, barrow test, NAT test, BNS test, as you can see, Wi-Fi test, vibe test, and here we can force the test mode if you press the power key. And that's about all. And to exit the service menu, go to the screen, to the main screen, and press and hold the light button to turn off the watch. And then you can turn it back on by pressing and holding the light button again. And that's how you enter the service menu on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.